Many dog owners have witnessed their pets munching on grass and wondered what it means. You might be surprised to learn that dogs have been eating grass for ages, and it's a behavior that has puzzled pet owners and researchers alike for a long time. From ancient times to the modern day, dogs have shown a tendency to nibble on grass whenever they get the chance. But why do they do it? Let's find out. There are several theories about why dogs eat grass. Some experts believe that it could be a natural instinct inherited from their wild ancestors. In the wild, canines might have eaten grass to help with digestion or to expel parasites from their system. It can be confusing to see our furry friends acting like cows. You might wonder if there's something wrong with their diet or if they're missing some essential nutrients. However, most of the time, this behavior is completely normal and harmless. After all, they don't have multiple stomachs to digest all that greenery. Unlike cows, dogs have a single-chambered stomach, so they can't break down cellulose as efficiently. This means that the grass usually passes through their system without being fully digested. But rest assured, a little grass grazing is usually nothing to worry about. In fact, many veterinarians agree that occasional grass eating is a normal part of a dog's behavior. It doesn't necessarily indicate any health issues. In fact, it's often just a sign that your dog is bored, curious, or maybe just enjoying the taste of fresh grass. Dogs are naturally curious creatures, and they explore the world with their mouths. Sometimes they might just be experimenting with different textures and flavors. So, the next time you catch your dog having a salad snack, don't fret. It's usually nothing to be concerned about. However, if you notice that your dog is eating grass excessively or showing signs of illness, it's always a good idea to consult your veterinarian. Let's dive deeper into the reasons behind this funny habit. Some dogs might eat grass to induce vomiting if they're feeling unwell, while others might do it simply out of habit. Understanding your dog's behavior can help you ensure they're happy and healthy. Dogs are descendants of wolves, and wolves are wild animals. Wild animals sometimes eat grass, so it makes sense that dogs might have inherited this behavior from their ancestors. It's in their DNA. Experts believe that eating grass might have helped wild dogs get extra nutrients or fiber, or maybe it helped them feel better if they had a tummy ache. Even though our pet dogs eat kibble and treats, those instincts from their wild days are still there. So, a little grass eating is usually just your dog acting on their natural impulses. But of course, there are other reasons why your dog might be attracted to your lawn. Most vets will tell you that a little grass eating is totally normal for dogs. It's a behavior that has been observed in dogs for centuries, and it doesn't necessarily indicate any health problems. In fact, many dogs seem to enjoy munching on grass as part of their daily routine. It's like a little salad on the side. Dogs might be drawn to the texture or the taste of the grass, and it can be a fun and enriching activity for them. Some experts believe that grass eating can help with digestion or provide some nutrients that might be missing from their diet. Of course, you should always talk to your vet if you're worried about your dog's health. Regular checkups and open communication with your veterinarian are key to ensuring your pet's well-being. They can provide personalized advice based on your dog's specific needs and health history. But in most cases, there's no need to panic if your dog enjoys the occasional nibble on the green stuff. It's a common behavior that many dogs exhibit, and it usually doesn't pose any serious health risks. Just keep an eye on them to make sure they're not eating anything harmful. Vets know that dogs have been doing this for a long time. Historical records and observations show that grass eating is a natural part of canine behavior. It's something that has been passed down through generations, and it's a trait that many dogs share. It's rarely a cause for concern. Most of the time, it's just a harmless habit that dogs enjoy. However, it's always good to be aware of your dog's behavior and to consult with your vet if you notice anything unusual. However, if your dog is eating grass excessively, or if it's accompanied by other symptoms like vomiting or diarrhea, it could be a sign of an underlying issue. Excessive grass eating might indicate that your dog is trying to soothe an upset stomach or that there's something else going on. It's essential to consult your veterinarian. They can perform a thorough examination and run any necessary tests to determine the cause of the behavior. Your vet can also provide guidance on how to address the issue and ensure your dog's health and comfort. They can help determine if there's an underlying issue that needs to be addressed, whether it's a dietary deficiency, a gastrointestinal problem, or another health concern. Your vet is the best resource for keeping your dog happy and healthy. So, while a little grass eating is usually no worries, always stay vigilant and proactive about your pet's health. One theory is that dogs eat grass to soothe an upset stomach. This behavior has puzzled pet owners and veterinarians alike for years. While it might seem strange to us for dogs, it could be a natural instinct. Dogs are known to be quite intuitive about their health, and eating grass might be their way of addressing minor digestive issues. Think of it like a natural antacid. Just as we might reach for a bottle of antacid when we feel a bit of heartburn, dogs might munch on some grass to help settle their stomachs. It's fascinating to think that our pets might have their own ways of dealing with discomfort. Grass can help them throw up if they're feeling nauseous, or it can add fiber to their diet if they're constipated. This dual-purpose solution is quite ingenious when you think about it. If a dog feels the need to purge something from their system, the grass can induce vomiting. On the other hand, if they're having trouble with bowel movements, the added fiber can help things move along more smoothly. So if your dog is feeling a bit icky, a little grass grazing might be their way of trying to feel better. It's a simple, natural remedy that they can access almost anywhere. Observing your dog can give you clues about how they're feeling. If they seem to be eating grass more frequently, it might be worth paying attention to their overall health and behavior. It's like their version of reaching for the Pepto-Bismol. Just as we have our go-to remedies for minor ailments, dogs might have theirs too. This behavior highlights the incredible ways in which animals can take care of themselves, even without our intervention. However, if your dog seems sick or is frequently vomiting after eating grass, it's best to consult your veterinarian to rule out any serious medical conditions. While occasional grass eating is usually harmless, persistent or excessive behavior could indicate an underlying issue that needs professional attention. Your vet can provide guidance and ensure that your furry friend is in good health. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to our furry friends. Our pets rely on us to look out for their well-being, and being proactive about their health can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. So, the next time you see your dog nibbling on some grass, take a moment to observe and consider if they might be trying to tell you something about how they're feeling. Some dogs might eat grass because they're missing something in their diet. Maybe they need more fiber or certain nutrients. Grass could be their way of trying to fill that gap. It's like when we crave a juicy burger because we need iron. Dogs can't always tell us what their bodies need, so they might resort to munching on grass to get those missing nutrients. If you suspect your dog's grass eating is due to dietary deficiencies, talk to your vet about switching to a more balanced and nutritious dog food. They can recommend the best options for your dog's specific needs. Dogs are naturally playful and curious creatures. Sometimes they eat grass simply because they're bored or looking for something to do. It's like their version of chewing on a toy. The texture and taste of grass might be stimulating for them, especially if they're stuck in the house or backyard all day. Think of it as their way of entertaining themselves. To prevent boredom-induced grass eating, make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise, playtime, and mental stimulation. A tired and happy dog is less likely to resort to munching on your lawn. Remember those wild wolf ancestors we talked about? Some experts believe that dogs eat grass as a way to mask their scent while hunting. In the wild, wolves might eat grass to cover up their own smell, making it easier to sneak up on prey. While your domesticated dog might not be stalking rabbits in your backyard, those primal instincts might still be lurking within them. So, the next time you see your dog munching on grass, imagine them channeling their inner wolf, ready to pounce on. Well, maybe just a squeaky toy. It's a fascinating glimpse into their wild ancestry. Did you know that dogs often circle before they poop? It's thought to be an instinctual behavior that helps them create a clear space and align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field. See, dogs are full of quirky habits and behaviors. Eating grass is just one of the many things that make them so unique and entertaining. So embrace the weirdness and enjoy the ride. After all, that's what makes being a dog owner so much fun. It's probably fine. Most experts agree that dogs eating grass is usually a harmless and natural behavior. Whether it's for digestive reasons, dietary needs, boredom, or just plain old instinct, a little grass grazing is rarely cause for concern. As long as your dog is healthy, happy, and not overdoing it, let them enjoy their occasional salad snack. If you notice any changes in your dog's behavior, or if they're eating grass excessively or showing other symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, or loss of appetite, it's essential to consult your veterinarian. They can help rule out any underlying medical conditions and provide appropriate treatment if needed. Remember, your vet is your best resource for all things dog health. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any concerns.